Hello friends, welcome back to StudyCell. In my previous videos, I have shared different type of ESP Rainmaker projects and I received requests like to modify the code for 2-channel, 8-channel relay module, and also in my home, my balcony has only 2 appliances but living room has 7 appliances. So in this video, we will try to prepare an universal Arduino sketch where you just have to mention the number of relays and it will automatically create the Rainmaker objects accordingly. Now if I mention 4 relays for bedroom, it will add only 4 devices for bedroom in the ESP Rainmaker. For living room, if I mention 7 relays, it will add total 7 devices for living room in the Rainmaker. In this manner, you can connect multiple ESP32 according to your rooms and number of appliances. And you can also control all the appliances with Amazon Alexa and also with the Google Home from anywhere in the world.
Alexa,
Turn off the room light.
okay.
Let me turn it on with Google.
Hey Google,
Turn on room light.
Alright, turning on the room light.
And if there is no internet, still you can control all the appliances either with the latch switch or push button. Again, you can configure it in the Arduino sketch. And you can also activate or deactivate the EEPROM. So if the EEPROM activated, then after the load shedding, when the power comes back, the relays will be automatically turned on according to the previous state. And here I have also optimized the code according to the free plan of ESP Rainmaker. So you can easily connect multiple ESP32 under their free plan without any issue. During the video, I have explained how to use this universal sketch. So I will recommend you to watch the complete video. Otherwise, you can also use the timestamp mentioned in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Altium, a world-class PCB design software trusted by many of the biggest electronic companies. The user interface is so simple, you can easily design any complex PCB in Altium. It brings together PCB design, MCAD, data management and teamwork. It also provides centralized cloud storage, automatic backup and many more powerful features. And if you are a student, you can also enroll Altium Student Lab for free to get access Altium software and online PCB design courses. After completing the course, you will also receive a certificate of completion from Altium. There are many other key benefits, so I highly recommend checking out the Altium Student Lab. You will find a link in the description. Just enroll using your university email ID. It's a great opportunity for students and a great initiative from Altium to help you grow your skill in electronics design. This is the circuit diagram for this project, but you don't have to follow the same circuit. If you want, you can change the GPIOs. You can either use latch switch or push button. You can also use 8-channel, 4-channel or 2-channel relay module. You can change the circuit according to your requirement, as you can modify everything in the Arduino sketch. Now let me connect the ESP32 with my laptop to program it. Now this is the source code for this project. You can download the code from our website iotcircuitup.com. Just visit the article. You can find a link in the description. Then you can download the code from this button. After downloading, you have to unzip the file. Then open it with Arduino IDE. For this project, I have used this version of the ESP32 board, and you have to install these libraries and all other dependencies. Then in the user configuration, you can do all the configurations according to your circuit. First, here I mentioned maximum 8 relays you can connect to ESP32. For now, don't change this value. Later on in upcoming videos, we can also increase this number. For that, we have to do some modification in the code. Then here you have to enter the relay number you want to connect to ESP32. So here I will connect 4 relay. So let me enter 4. If you want to connect 7 relays, enter 7. For 2 relays, enter 2. Here you have to enter the actual number of relay you want to connect to ESP32, and this value must be less than 8. Then if you want to use active low relay module, make it true. For active high relay module, make it false. Then for manual control, if you want to use latch switch, then make it true. For push button, make this variable false. If you want to activate EEPROM, make it true, otherwise make it false. Here I will recommend you to give the provision details according to the room name. So I will use this ESP32 for bedroom, so I will give the name accordingly. Then I will update the POP. Instead of living room, I will enter bedroom. Then I will also change the node name to bedroom. After updating the node name according to the room name, we have to enter the device names. Here we have mentioned the total relays 4, so I have to update the first 4 device name. So you can give any name. The device name must be unique, otherwise you may face issue while controlling the appliances with voice command. Now these are the relay GPIOs. So here we have used total 4 relay, so only first 4 GPIO will be considered and the next 4 will be ignored. The same thing happened for the switch GPIO. We have to connect the switches with the first 4 GPIOs and it will ignore the next 4 GPIOs. Then I have used the inbuilt LED for Wi-Fi indicator and boot button for reset GPIO. And if you want to use different GPIO, then you can update the GPIO accordingly. Now after doing this user configuration, you can directly upload this code to ESP32. Now let me quickly scroll down, and here you can see for each function it will use total relays. So here we have used 4 relay, so accordingly it will create the objects. Now let me go to the initialize Rainmaker function. So here you can also see with this if block, first we are checking the total number of relays. As we have selected 4 relay, so it will come up to this block, and as the total relays is 4 and it is less than 5, so it will ignore these if blocks. Thus we can use the same code for 2 channel, 4 channel, 8 channel relay module just by selecting the number of relays. Now to upload the code, we have to go to tools, select the board as ESP32 dev module. Then I will select the proper COM port. In the partition scheme, we have to select the Rainmaker. Now I will just hit the upload button. Now if you go through the code, you can easily understand. Still, if you face any issue, you can always let me know in the comment section. I will also try to explain the complete code line by line in the same article. You can find a link in the description. After uploading the code, we have to open the serial monitor. Then select the baud rate 115200. Then you have to press and hold the boot button for 10 seconds. Now I will release it. Here you can see factory reset trigger. So now we got the keyword. So I will just copy this link, then open it in a browser. Now we will open the ESP Rainmaker app, and we have to turn on the Wi-Fi, then turn on the Bluetooth, and also turn on the location in your mobile. Then open the Rainmaker app, tap on this plus icon, scan this keyword. Sometimes you may get this type of error, so I will just try again. So if it don't detect the Wi-Fi network, by default it should automatically detect the Wi-Fi network. You can tap on join other network and give the SSID and password for the Wi-Fi. Then hit the enter. Provisioning. Make sure the Wi-Fi is on. Here you can see all the device added. Tap on done, and here you can see all the device added successfully. Now I will disconnect this ESP32 and connect the next ESP32 for living room. Then I will close this serial monitor. Let me select the correct COM port, and board is already selected. So we just have to modify the user configuration. Here we will connect 7 relays. So I will enter 7. So total 7 number of device will be connected to ESP Rainmaker app. Then this is for my living room, so I will change the name accordingly. Now after changing the room name, I also have to enter the device name. For this project, I will just make it as default, as I just want to show you can connect multiple ESP32. So I mentioned relay 1, relay 2, but in your case make sure you put unique device name so that you can identify the each device without any issue. So in Rainmaker we will see this device name, and for this project I will use push button for manual control, so I will make this variable false. Now after doing these changes, I can just hit the upload button, but before that make sure the partition scheme is Rainmaker. Okay, now I can upload it. So you can select the relay number according to the appliances you want to connect in each room. Now again I will open the serial monitor, select the baud rate, then press and hold the boot button for 10 seconds to generate the keyword. Now let me release it. Factory reset triggered. Now it will give us the keyword link. I will copy this link for the living room, open it in a browser. Now again I will open the Rainmaker app, and here you can see Bluetooth and location is already open. So I will just tap on this plus icon, scan the keyword. So this is our Wi-Fi credential. I will just tap on start. Sometime the Wi-Fi credential will populate automatically. If it not populate, you can manually enter it. So here you can see all the 7 devices added successfully. I will just tap on done. So this is the 4 device from first ESP32, and these are the 7 device from next ESP32 for living room. Now we will quickly add these devices with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. So I will go to setting, then select voice service, select Amazon Alexa, then link with Amazon Alexa. You have to install the Amazon Alexa app. Then I will tap on link. It will fetch all the devices from Rainmaker app to Amazon Alexa. It may also ask me to log in. So I will just select continue with Google. Then select the email ID I have used for the Rainmaker. Now it's already linked. So if I open the Amazon Alexa app, go to device, just refresh. So here you will find all the device added. Now I will connect it with the Google Home. So let me open the Google Home app. First we have to create a home. Then I will just tap on this plus icon. Then select links, app or service. I will select it, then select works with Google. Here we just have to link the Rainmaker account with Google Home. So here I will search for Rainmaker, ESP Rainmaker. Tap on the ESP Rainmaker, then continue. Again it may ask you to log in to your Rainmaker account. Agree and continue. It may take some time. So here you can see all these devices added successfully in the Google Home app. Now I can control it from anywhere in the world. So if I go to all device, here you will see all the devices added successfully. Now here you can see with this ESP32 we will control these 4 relays, and with this ESP32 we will control total 7 relays. Now let me turn on the supply, and this blue LED indicates now it connected with the Rainmaker app. So let me turn on the first 2 relays from this ESP32, and if I control it manually with this switch, we can monitor the real-time feedback. Now let me control this ESP32 in our living room. So let me turn on some relays from the Rainmaker app, and if I try to control with the push button, again we can monitor the real-time feedback. Here you can see. Now let me try to control the appliances with Amazon Alexa app. So if I go to device, these are the device you can turn off and on from this dashboard. And let me control the relay 2. You can see it turn off.
Alexa,
Turn off relay 4.
Okay.
Alexa,
Turn off room light.
Okay.
Now let me go to Google Home. If I open the Google Home, go to all device, you will find all the device here, and from here we can also control the device one by one, and we can also ask Google Assistant to control it. Let me open the Assistant. Turn on fan 1. Now I have also activated the EEPROM. Currently the first 2 relays are on. So if I turn off the complete supply, I have turned off the complete supply right now. Now if I turn on the supply again, as the EEPROM activated, relays automatically turn on according to the previous states. So this is a very practical project. And here I have not connected any sensor, as we are going to use the free plan. Sensor will send continuous data to server, which will exhaust our free limit. Now if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.